In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Notion. Whether you're using it for work or personal projects, having a personalized profile picture can make your Notion account feel more like your own. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can update your image with ease. First, you'll need to open Notion, and this can be done in two different ways, either through the desktop app or directly from your preferred web browser. Both options work seamlessly, so choose the one that you find most convenient. Once you've got Notion open on your screen, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll find the name of your workspace displayed prominently. It might be your name, your company's name, or any other unique identifier you've set up. Adjacent to this workspace name, there's usually a small down arrow icon. This is your gateway to a variety of settings. Click on either the workspace name itself or this down arrow to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. This will transport you to the Settings menu where you can manage numerous aspects of your Notion account. In the Settings menu, you should see either your name or My Account displayed as an option. Click on this to proceed further into your account settings. Now focus your attention on your current profile photo. If you haven't set one before, you'll likely see your initials displayed in a small circle. Otherwise, you'll see whatever image you've previously uploaded. Click on this image or initials to begin the process of updating your profile picture. A window will pop up, prompting you to choose an image from your computer. This is where you can get creative. Select an image that reflects your personality, or one that you'd like associated with your Notion account. Once you've found just the right picture, click the Open button to finalize your selection. And that's all there is to it. Your new profile picture will be uploaded and updated automatically across your entire Notion account. You don't need to worry about saving changes or refreshing the page. Notion takes care of that for you instantly. It's a quick update, but it can make a significant difference in personalizing your experience. Remember, updating your profile image is not only about aesthetics. It can also help collaborators on shared projects recognize you more quickly. So, take a moment to choose a picture that represents you well. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment.